Well, there is a new push to raise the minimum wage right here in Pennsylvania. Lindsay Ward joins us with who's behind the push and who they're targeting. And Lindsay, a lot of people are paying attention to this.
David, good morning. They are, and the focus really is on the frontline workers and getting them a boost in their hourly pay. Some say they worked tirelessly during the pandemic and put their lives at risk. At an event on Thursday, Labor and Industry Acting Secretary Jennifer Barrier says raising the minimum wage would have an immediate benefit on working families and rural economies. Right now, Governor Tom Wolf is proposing to raise the minimum wage to $12 an hour and then $15 an hour by the year 2027. Some say there are too many workers who have full-time jobs making $7.25 an hour and can't pay their bills or feed their families. A pastor at a church in Center County says his church's food bank was feeding record numbers of families even before the pandemic. Now he sees so many young families struggling to feed their children.
My impression of all the churches who work so hard and of all the food banks is we're tired. We're meant to be a Band-Aid. We're not meant to sustain people, and it doesn't really work. It just covers up the problem. And so we need a structural change, like raising the minimum wage.
So who exactly are these frontline workers we're talking about? They're the restaurant workers, retail workers, agriculture, and in healthcare. The secretary says the state's 29 rural counties who have the highest percentage of these workers would get a raise if the minimum wage went to $15 an hour by the year 2027. Heather?